Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. Now I know that most of you are familiar with my signature reverse smoky eye using a Q-tip. Today we'll make it ombre. So instead of using just a black eyeshadow, I'll be using a brown eyeshadow to go with black, and I'll show you how to blend them together. So if you're ready, let's begin. The lenses that I'm wearing are from Melon Color. These are in the style Shadow Gray. If you need a discount code, you'll find that in the description box below. Let's start with the brows. I'm in a mood for feathered out brows. So I'm going to start with Gimme Brow from Benefit. I'm going to use a spoolie to brush my hair upwards and outwards. And then using the Precisely My Brows again from Benefit, this is a brow pencil. I'm going to fill in just the sparse area in the lower part of my brows. To clean up underneath the brows as well as a primer on my lids, I'm going to be using the Milani Concealer, and I'm in the shade 145. The brush that I'm using is a flat shader brush from Colourpop. I'm going to let that dry on my lid for just a bit before I use a Scotch tape. I'm taking a small piece. You can use a Scotch tape, you can use cello tape, you can use office tape, you can use any tape that is sticky and will serve the purpose. And the length of the tape depends on how long you want to go with the wing. I'm going to stick the tape as an extension of my lower lash line, but the tape will be towards the lid and not facing downwards. So the lower border of the tape is an extension of my lower lash line. All you need is a black and a brown for this, so any earthy neutral shade eyeshadow palette should work. I'm going to be using Bare Necessities from Colourpop. Instead of using a brush, we'll be using a Q-tip. You can use any earbud or a Q-tip. I'm going to first dip into this brown eyeshadow called Tabloid. And starting with the very outer corner in my lower lash line, I'm going to start pushing the color outwards. Now, you don't have to be very careful or very clean or very neat because the tape is going to take care of that for you. Your tape is your stencil here. So all you have to do is push the color outwards. And then I'm going to use the same eyeshadow in my lower lash line to smoke it out. If you want to add more color, you most definitely can. Once I'm happy with the intensity, I'm now going to use a black eyeshadow. This one's called Spyglass. I'm going to dip the other side of the Q-tip into this black eyeshadow, and I'm going to do the same thing, push the color outwards in the outer corner and then smoke it out in my lower lash line. But this time I'm going to keep it very close to my waterline. I'm not going to diffuse it as much as I did with the brown eyeshadow. And again, because this cotton is so soft, it very easily blends in with the brown eyeshadow without you putting much effort. Now let's go ahead and remove the tape to reveal the reverse smoky eye. As you can see, that is so crisp on top and so well diffused at the bottom. And it got done so quick without you putting much effort. You can in fact apply a coat of mascara and call it done, but I'm going to take it up a notch today. Like I did with my lower lash line, I'm using the brown eyeshadow again, and I'm going to diffuse it in my top lash line. You can see how beautifully that gets diffused. You don't have to keep on blending like we do with brushes. You just have to swipe the cotton once or twice across and your work is done. And I'm going to do the same with the black eyeshadow, but this time again, like I did with my lower lash line, I'm going to keep it very close to my lashes. And I'm not even putting the effort to blend it with the brown eyeshadow, again, because the cotton is so soft, it's automatically happening. Using Idle Hour, I'm going to highlight my inner corner just to bring in some brightness. Now, because I'm going for an intense look, I'm using a black eye pencil in my waterline. This one's from Revlon, but you can most definitely leave it nude as well. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply a coat of mascara. And for lashes, I'm going to be using Pixie by Kiss, but I'm just going to be using half of the lashes because I want that elongated eye look. So I'm going to cut it into half, and the inner half of the lashes will go in the outer half of my natural lash line. And I'm going to finish up with a coat of mascara in my lower lashes. To pair with my Ombré Reverse Smoky Eye, I decided to go with a nude lip. This is Story from Ofra Cosmetics. And to lock the makeup in, I'm finishing up with some setting spray. And here's the completed look. Now, how simple and easy was that, and how exotic and professional does that look? Let me know if you enjoyed this video by commenting below, and if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you plan to recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me on my socials. They're all listed in the description box right below this video, and you'll also find links to all the products that I used today. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys!